This is three-phase star delta connection. I am engineer Roni Hussain. This is three-phase miniature circuit breaker. First phase, second phase, third phase. This connection, first magnetic contact, and this loaded motor side, and then this connect delta supply line, and it's going to thermal protector, overload relay, and starter magnetic contact, and it's short, and its timer. This is simple star delta connection, and this load is motor. When starter is on, same time starter magnetic contact on, and timer up to 10 seconds, then delta motor is on, and it has control unit. This first MC coil, second MC coil, third MC coil. Okay.